Hey guys, it's Nikki here with Lifestylediyw, and today I'm bringing you a Dollar Tree DIY candle making set unboxing. And yes, you can actually turn this into a really cute, cheap Mommy's Day gift for someone that you love. So I got this from Dollar Tree this week, and I couldn't believe that they had this in the stores because I had never seen these before. The candle set comes with 3 packs of the wax granules. And it says all you need to do is fill the wicked jar with the granules, however you want to design it. You layer the granules to create designs and patterns. And yes, let's get started. Now, I thought that you had to put this in the microwave and, melt the granules or whatever. But just letting you know that for $1, every scent smells amazing. It's not even like a cheap scent. So this is a good product. Like, I'm telling you, they all smell amazing. So in the box comes the wicked jar and 3 packs of the different scents. Now, the colors may vary as it says on the box. I happen to pick up the magnolia, the Asian lily, and the lavender scents. And honestly, if I was given this as a gift, I would probably layer it as it is and actually melt each wax separately, then pour the melted wax, each color, let one layer dry, then pour another color, let that, mold and freeze, stuff like that, and let the whole thing freeze up and then cool down, and then I would actually put it back in the box and pack it as a gift. But as you see me doing here, I'm just pouring each granule on top of each other, shaking it out so that way it's nice and flat in the jar, and just adding the different colors and patting it down a little bit, only because I'm like, wait a minute, this doesn't go in the microwave, so how does it melt? But I actually lit the wick, and as soon as I lit the wick, if you notice, the granules were literally starting to melt as I lit the wick. So it really was working pretty good. And it started to smell immediately as I lit the wick. So it was awesome. Now, how do I turn this into a Mother's Day gift for someone? Like I just did here, you add it to a treat bag from Dollar Tree as well. You add a little ribbon, and voila, you have given somebody a cute little DIY candle set gift for Mother's Day. Now, I'm showing you my wood rolling pins and some other little items that I made that are currently in my Etsy shop. So make sure you run over to Lifestylediyw, Pinterest, YouTube, IGTV, everywhere in the world, looking for Lifestylediyw, guys. I hope you enjoyed your day today. To all the mothers out there, happy Mother's Day, and I love you, and I hope you guys had an awesome time with your families and your friends. So I hope you like this video, guys. Bye.